Hi everyone and welcome to Automite. To start off, let me mention that this is not a sponsored video and I'm not endorsing any of the products that you see. I'm going to show how to test an LED headlight. This headlight is for the 2019 to 2020 Jeep Cherokee. And what I'm going to be using is a test light like this one. And the reason I'm using this is to find out where the pins are here. I'm going to find out which of the pins is the negative one, so I don't, try every pin to see which one's the negative one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the clamp of the test light to the module. Okay. And I'm going to turn off the light on the camera to show you how I find out. So I make the tip of the pin touch every tip of the test light, to touch every pin inside to see which one lights up. None of them are lighting up. And why none of them are lighting up? Oh, this one's lighting up. Okay, so it's on the bottom row, the last one to the right. Okay, so now let's turn the light back on. Okay, and then I'm going to use a portable battery that I have here. I have attached some wires to the clamps. Okay, and let me show you this before I do that. There's like a metal piece inside where the pin will sit once I insert it, and I've used electrical tape to insulate it so it doesn't touch any other pin and cause problems, shorts, anything like that. So I'm going to put that in. And now that I know which one's the negative one, I can just use the positive wire to connect to every single one. Whichever one lights up, that's the positive. That looks like it's some kind of a turn signal light. It's orange. Which light is that? That looks like a high beam light. I did the same one, right? Okay, it looks like it's it. Yeah, that's the main low beam light. So that's how you test LED headlights. It pretty much works the same on xenon headlights, but in a previous video I showed how to do a xenon headlight, but that one required two wires to be connected together on the positive side, so it's a little tricky to do that one. And but that's the only Ford and Lincoln is the only one that makes those, and I can't think of any other headlights where you need to connect two together to make the ballast work. And on some headlights, either on LEDs or on xenon headlights, what'll happen is, let me turn this off, is as you go with the test light and make the tip of the test light touch the pins, sometimes you'll get multiple pins that light up the bulb inside the test light, but you'll notice the one that's not the negative, it'll be like a dim light inside the test light, and the one that's the strongest light, that's the one that's the negative. It works the same on xenon headlights. You'll sometimes get that where multiple pins will make it light up. But yeah, so that's how you find out if a headlight works. Unfortunately on these, because it's LED, if you have the module by itself, Let me just take this out. You can't really test it. You will need the headlight because the bulbs are inside the headlight and you can't take them out. That's on LEDs only. And these pins, I mean, you can't figure out which one's what. It's just far too many pins and they're too small. So you will need the headlight. But with xenons, you don't need the headlight. You can just take the bulb out, put it on the igniter and test it like that. And that's it. Thank you for watching.